Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So ADA is moving in this kind of triangle pattern just above the support zone, which means that while a breakout to the upside could happen, I would not rely on it necessarily until we get some evidence for it. Okay, these triangles often morph into something different, as I explained over the last few days, but the wave count for a triangle in a wave 4 is technically complete. Usually, however, these triangles, as I said, they morph. I think in this cycle, I really haven't seen many Elliott wave triangles. What does it mean they morph? Well, it just means that, for example, from an ABC DE triangle, that might change into a WXY pattern. I explained that in detail in the last video yesterday. What really matters more than the actual wave count are the levels. So even if the triangle breaks to the upside, which it shouldn't do if it's a wave 4 triangle, but which it could do if it's an ABC structure, okay, for example, or a WXY even. So for example, a B wave can also be a triangle, right? And it could break down. But what really matters then is the support region. This is why we have it on the chart, because the overall assumption on this chart doesn't really change on the micro level as long as we're holding above 63.3 cents, right? Because this would be the lowest level really such a wave 4 internally should get to or should test. So we've got 66.5 cents and then 63.3 cents as next support levels. Today, ADA not doing much, just moving sideways there. Bitcoin is trying to push higher, but I think hasn't made a new all-time high yet. So it might fail, another breakout might fail, and that could send ADA then a little lower into that orange support region. So the levels haven't really changed. 66.5 cents is next support, and then 63.3. Okay, what happens below that? Below that, we are likely in a larger wave 4 already. Yeah, that's the idea. So at the moment, we're watching if the market can hold this support area for one more high in wave 5 of, what's that? 5 of 5 of C of 3. Then we'll see if we can reach 94 cents. At least that is based on current price data, the next upside level to watch. If we get a confirmed low in wave 4 here internally, we can add another target, okay, which might be a little bit more precise. You know, the more we get to the micro level, the more precise these targets can be, but it would still require a completed wave 4 before we can really add the next upside Fibonacci level, you know, an additional one. But for now, we've got already something like 94 cents to the upside, 66.5 as well as 63.3 cents to the downside, and the price is currently reacting, or not reacting, respecting the 38.2 retracement here. It's been doing that for the last few days. Now, if we break below support, then we've got the next support level underneath. It would be for the next larger degree wave 4. So someone asked me, okay, but you know, my idea is that this wave 5 will reach 125. No, I'm not saying that. I have no target area for this wave 5 here. Yeah, this is just a label, placeholder essentially. So that's very important to understand. But I've got the next upside levels to watch on the chart here, especially on our long-term chart. You see all of these Fibonacci levels, not here on the short-term chart. I would need to zoom out. But yeah, we talked about them yesterday. Probably in the next video we can talk about the larger degree, larger time frame chart as well. I think at the moment, as we're still consolidating, it's just important to understand the next support levels, and if one support area breaks, what would be plan B? And the next support area is then between 44 cents and 55.9. But I have to say, below 44 cents, I haven't got really anything clearly bullish left. That would be too deep, even for a wave 4 of the larger degree. So at the moment, I think the focus needs to be on the upper support area. And if the market can break out to the upside, a breakout to the upside would be confirmed, at least from a triangle point of view, if we get a break above the internal B wave of the triangle. That's 78.4 cents. Before that, we cannot assume the triangle is breaking out, because what you often get is, you know, you get these fake outs of trend lines and then still break down, which is not really, so Elliott wave needs a sustained break above the B wave high, yeah, for a triangle breakout to assume wave 5 is starting. That's still not a guarantee, but it would invalidate the continuation of the triangle. Because what could technically happen, we get a breakout above the trend line, but we don't break above the B wave high, and then we just continue to consolidate, and the triangle just simply extends a little bit sideways. So yeah, that's the update at the moment about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Yesterday on X, on Twitter, specifically there, I uploaded a video about Shiba Inu. So if you're interested in that, check it out. The link to our X profile can be found in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.